In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the email and password combination is incorrect error here on Spotify. If you do find this video useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Spotify content just like this. Now this error can be obviously pretty frustrating since you can log into your account. Here's how you can fix it. Keep in mind this is going to work on mobile and PC, so it doesn't matter which platform you're on. The first thing that you're going to want to do is simply just go ahead and double check your password. I know this one might seem a little bit obvious, but you can click on this little eye icon right here and just make sure that your password is typed in correctly. Make sure you're checking for typos, any extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization. If it is still completely correct, go ahead and use this option to log in without your password. It's going to go ahead and open up a page that looks like this. Well, you'll be prompted to go ahead and open up your email app. Go ahead and select that. And then it's going to pull up any email apps that you might have. Choose the one that's logged in with the same email that your Spotify account is under. So in my case, I'd choose something like Gmail. And what it's going to do is log you in immediately once you select that. Once you are logged in, I recommend going and creating a new password. There's going to be an option called Set New Password. Select that, enter in that new one, and then hit save, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.